Trunk Club over 40. Are you over 40? You're gonna wanna watch this then. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. Today we're gonna unbox a Trunk Club for over 40 gals. Trunk Club is slightly different from some of the other clothing subscription boxes. You do get to have a look at what your stylist picks out for you. If there's something you don't like, you can just click it off, explain why you don't like it, and then either send it as is with the things you do agree with, or let her pick a few other things to see if you like them. Like all subscription boxes, you pay a stylist fee. You get the stylist fee refunded to you if you buy something. So it ends up being zero. It's zero if you buy something. I will leave a link for Trunk Club just below us here. If I find a coupon code for you, it will be there. Usually what happens is if I leave my link, it'll give me $20 off my next purchase and you $20 off your purchase. So I'll leave the link for the discounts below. It's a higher end box. It comes from Nordstrom. So I'm not sure I'm gonna like the prices on this, but I'm willing to give it a try. You know I'm willing to give it a try. I love subscription boxes. Let's dig in. Can you even believe the size of this thing? Let me show you. Look at this. This is, I can't even fit it all on the screen. It's so ginormous. And it really looks like a trunk. I mean, it's cardboard, obviously, but it's so heavy. Oh, this is like a workout. But look at this. Isn't this fun? It really looks like a trunk. I love it. And the sides say, trunk. It's a giant U. And an NK, trunk. Also, one thing they ask is if you want some of the accessories like hats, jewelry, shoes, purses, things like that. Whereas if you're getting it from Stitch Fix, they don't always ask you, do you want something? They might just send you a pair of shoes or they might just send you a purse. My stylist did pick out a few things that I didn't like. I removed those. There were a few things that I did like, so let's see. First thing is this a darling hat. In theory, I love hats, but I don't always feel like I look good in them. And I don't know if it's, I don't know how to wear a hat. See? What's going on here? I feel like if they were both, is one side supposed to be like that and one side isn't? It's gotta be. But see, then that, to me, that just feels weird, but too big. I don't even know. I'm really gonna need your help with that because I love hats, but I don't know. Wow, giant pack of clothes. It's fun if you just get 5 things, but if you get an entire stack of clothes to just play with and try on, it is so great. That's what I love about clothing subscription boxes. I don't have to spend 25 hours in a mall looking for things, never knowing what goes together. These are sent to me and someone else has done all the work for me, and I love that. Box of sunglasses, I believe. I definitely like the way they ship those. Those are a good way to keep them from breaking. I'm always ready for some new sunglasses. I am sun sensitive, so I must at all times. Oh boys, I don't think I'm gonna keep these. However, they really block out the light. If you are sun sensitive like I am, you might consider something like this. I almost am tempted to wear these through the whole video, but it's really, really dark in there. I'm gonna be thinking about those. Olive colored knee, probably above the knee, kind of like a tennis skirt, only with pockets. I mean, you can't be mad about pockets. However, I don't wear skirts, and I don't wear skirts that short. Cute little pink bag. I hope I like it because I want the pink bag. I wonder if I can keep the pink bag. Oh, these are pretty. These are actually really pretty. I can tell you right now, I'm not buying $58 earrings. If my earrings cost over, let's say $10 or $15, they're gonna come from my husband. I just don't spend money like that on myself, but they're fun to look at. Blue jean jacket, dark. I've got a light one, I don't have a dark one, and I'm loving this. Loving this. It's a kind of a stretchy material. Oh yeah, nice and stretchy. I like that. Everything is individually wrapped, which I actually find kind of excessive. That isn't, to me, it's kind of extra and not in a good way. More work for me. A pair of stretchy shorts in this dark color. I do love when my shorts have this kind of a hemmed edge here. And these look like walking shorts, and that I will actually like them. They are buttons and they look high-waisted. High-waisted, which is all I'll wear. So much extra work taking the plastic off of those. I distinctly remember seeing this and thinking to myself, would I ever wear it? I don't know, but it's worth trying because I do not try these dresses on in the store, but I always think, oh man, they're so cute, I really want one. But then in reality, I look like a pumpkin. I don't know, this is such a cute print, and I love this peach. And it's just so flowy, and all these fun colors. And then in the back, it's the stretchy material, this gathering here, so you know it can kind of go with you. I think what's going to happen is it's going to be 12 feet too long and I won't be able to wear it anyway, but I'm excited to try it. White sleeveless shirt, nice swingy shirt, not form-fitting. Problem I find with white shirts is that I really like to wear something under it because I don't like that it's see-through. You know what I mean? But then, ooh, almost got stuck by a tag. Look at this. Almost got stuck by that. Eek! If I'd have stuck myself in, would they give me the shirt free? Okay, I'm liking this. This is what I'm talking about. I would wear this all day. This feels like linen to me too. Love this style. And vertical lines. Are you seeing this? Vertical lines, they exist. Love everything about this. Oh, it's even a petite. Yes, I love this shirt so much. Okay, now we have some white walking shorts. Nice and stretchy, super see-through. I will not be keeping these because, I mean, look, you can see the pockets through them. I mean, the details on these, this is nice, stretchy. Look at this, even this white matte button to just go perfectly and flush against the pants. I mean, the detail on these are really, really, really nice. The little pieces back here, what are these things called? Can't remember what they're called. They're white. So the quality on those pants for sure is nice, but I have 3 pairs of white. I've got them in 3 different lengths, shorts, capris, and long. So I can't imagine that I would love these so much that I would want to keep them. Oh, this is just like the striped one. Only it's not linen. The other one was linen, this one is not. This is more of a cottony. The sleeves of this is so fun. I'm not a huge fan of this kind of a short sleeve. Can you see my pile of clothes yet? When it gets to the sky, there's still more. This is so much more fun than my other boxes I've ever done because you're just getting a massive amount of clothes to try on. It's really like walking into a dressing room at Nordstrom's and saying, just bring me some things you think I'll like, and you're standing in the dressing room trying on clothes after clothes after clothes. Only I'm sitting at my desk in my own home going through clothes that someone else has shopped for me. Okay, this is a little dress with pockets right here. Look at this, pockets. What kind of a dress doesn't have pockets? No good deal, no good dress. And I love this I love the hem here. I think this is gonna be really pretty. I think they're gonna teach me to wear dresses. Shall I pile it up here until you can see it? Almost, getting close. Well, I agree that it is very fun that some of these came on hangers, some of them came in a nice bundle. I don't really understand why. These are called Absolution, featuring slimming panels constructed to mold and hold and boost your assets. These will be fun to try on. I don't know. I don't know what's different about them. Let's see. They feel nice and stretchy and comfy though, I will tell you that. Nice, cute color. This color is really in right now. I like it when my pants do that. I don't know why. It's just a little thing I like. And then look at these cute little pockets. Aren't these pockets fun? These little details are really impressing me. The question I want to know is am I supposed to mail this huge box back? Is that how it all gets back? These evidently are shoes. They come in the box. I mean, this is so fancy. I feel like a princess. Oh my goodness, these are adorable. Can you even? I love them. I'm impressed. Oh, I've always wanted some Tory Burch shoes. I can tell you right now, these are not going to fit me because these are narrow like an 8-year-old. And my feet are fat like a hobbit, but these are so, so, so cute. And if they weren't so narrow, I would probably buy them. I can't imagine me not buying these because I've wanted some Tory Burch shoes for a while. Okay, what did you think? Be sure and tell me your favorite pieces. And I'd really like to know if you have done this trunk and what your thoughts were on it. I'll see you real soon. Bye.